Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. It's Friday morning. TGIF. That's right. It's Friday. Again. Yesterday was pretty easy in the kitchen. I prepared shrimp and broccoli stir fry in a garlic sauce. To the recipe, I added half of a yellow onion and some shredded carrots because I needed to use them up. And I did doctor the sauce a little bit. But just a little bit of heat. But not bad. And I served that over the baked brown rice that I do quite a bit here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Wow, today's either going to be super busy in this kitchen or I'm going to make it just busy. Very busy or busy. Today, I'm preparing homemade beef enchiladas, keeping it simple, very simple. And I'm also doing a homemade red enchilada sauce. The can is fine. I like the can if you're going to do something quick. But I decided I wanted to do something special for my Mexican food lover, and that is Robin. So I am doing a homemade red enchilada sauce. Oh, and I got to go visit La Superior. Actually, I get to go back. Oh, oops, I forgot an ingredient. This is why I do my mise en place in the morning, to see what I forget. And then on top of all that, because the sauce is a little detailed. And as you know, I've been working on herb and spice blends. And I'm trying to not necessarily recreate, but I'm trying to create a garam masala blend that is my own. So I have that going as well. So let's get to it. I can see a lot of hardware, not just here, but there. Blender and the food processor and the spice grinder. Yeah. So on this we've got saute pan, actually it's a fry pan, a medium-sized saucepan, casserole dish, sheet pan, For the enchiladas themselves, I'm using elk hamburger because I have a lot of it. I'm going to use some red onion, some little bit of olive oil, and the spices are pretty simple. I'm using a New Mexico chili powder, which is on the upper end. Not hot, but on the upper end. Ground cumin, but this is a Mexican cumin. And Mexican paprika. Of course, with some kosher salt, black pepper. Flour tortillas for the enchiladas, obviously. Some sour cream to have some fun with and for serving time. Sorry about this. Blech. And some Mexican blend, 3 cheeses from Sargento. Today is garlic day, hence the food processor being out, because I need garlic for the enchiladas. Now for the red sauce, I've dried ancho chilies, dried guajillo chilies, and I also need, as I look at my notes, another chili. Arbol, actually, which are it's going to add some heat to this. Also, part of the sauce is Mexican oregano, more cumin powder, some tomato. I'm using Romas, a white onion. I typically don't buy white, but when a recipe calls it out, I normally will use it. Some chicken stock, and some sea salt, and of course, there'll be some black pepper. Oh, wow. Okay, that's a mouthful. Now, this is the real mouthful. These are all the ingredients that I need for my garam masala. Let's start off with some nutmeg, whole cloves, whole black pepper, black cumin seed, coriander, whole coriander. I'm using cinnamon from Indonesia. This is the Indonesian cinnamon from local spice ring. And we got, regular cumin seed, fennel seed, white pepper, some ground ginger, black cardamom, and green cardamom. These guys are a little expensive. Oof. And they smell like pledge. It does, really. And some bay leaf. So all 13 ingredients will make my garam masala. I'm actually having a recipe on Sunday that's going to be testing this garam masala. It's just a simple chicken dish with some veggies and some potatoes. Very traditional for an East Indian chicken dish with garam masala. Might add some heat to it. I don't know. It's a testing dish. So, I got a lot going on. Like I said, it's either going to be very busy, because if I do the garam masala today, because it is quite involved. There's some roasting and so whatnot. Or if I leave out the garam masala and do it tomorrow, it makes my day easier, but still busy. All right, and this Friday, this TGIF, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.